Hello, good morning my beautiful people. It's Friday, so you all know what that means. It's Friday, everyone loves Friday. Johnny boy, that is for you. And for everyone else, it's Friday then, Saturday, Sunday, what? Well, my fellow friends, Chloe Bow and the others are up for school. And World Book Day for Chloe today. It was yesterday, but her school are doing it today. She's still not feeling well, but she was going to go because she wants to dress up. But she's still not feeling great, so we said, well, if you feel up to it, you can go, get changed, get dressed up, and go. But no, she's not going now. She's staying here. She said her throat hurts. She said her muscles feel achy. She's still got a cough and cold. So, yeah, I don't mind if she's off. Like I said yesterday, pretty quiet all day to be fair. But I think last night she was just trying to push herself because she really wanted to go dressed up as Wednesday today. So, but never mind, it is what it is. I just said to her, she looks a bit pale again this morning. And she feels a bit warm still. Don't you? You do look pale. Love you. I could hear you squeaking that. Yes. Don't want to, Wub. Oh, you baby. Happy Friday, Wub. I don't want you, baby. What about your treaties? You left your treaties today. You like your treats today? Now stay. You don't do that, do you, May? No. Morning, son. Last day of work. It's the weekend. Yeah. Tell you what, you've had some good sleeps this week, haven't you? You're sleeping well at nights, which is good. You alright, Liam? Good lad. Alright, Nate. You're the gate. Just gonna have some toast, some break. And then I'll get Lacey sorted. Then we'll get tidied up a little bit. And I'm not ringing the crew. They've gone shopping, so rather them than me. But yeah, it's one of them things and it has to be done. Right, Ty. You right? Hey? Yeah. It's cold, isn't it? I've just been sorting some stuff out, so we're up now. We're going to get on. This one's just having some fruit, aren't you? Some watermelon. Get back on the sofa, darling. And get sorted. Are you ready, Lace? Get going. You look very pale. You want a wee, do you? What? It has been snowing, guys, I think. Showers of it. It did say this morning that it was going to, but then turn into rain, and then after that just be dry. So hopefully it'll stay dry now, so this washing gets done. Not good. It started raining now. Got to drag you out again, haven't we, mate? Take mum to work. Well, it's nice and dry out there now, then. So hopefully that washing's drying. All right, Sand. Had a good Friday so far. Let's take Raquel to work. Before she goes to work, though, she's got to pop in the hairdresser. She's got a hair colouring or cut and colour, whatever it is, next week. But she's got to go for a skin test. So she's going to pop there on the way to work.
What, today?
Yeah, she's got to get a skin test on the way to work, and then she's going to walk the rest of the way to work because it's not far from Tesco. Come on, titty bum. Tell you what, I'm hot. When Rach sneaks off to work, I turn the heating off. But she has actually got things on the radiator drying, so I'll put it on a bit later when it starts to get a bit nippier, but at the minute, I'm red hot. Anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful Friday, folks. It's just a quiet one now this afternoon. Everything's been done, work's been done, housework, you know. So yeah, just gotta wait for the last school run of the week to do in about 2 hours. Been worrying about this washing all day long. When I get back from the school run, I shall go out and hopefully it'll be dry and I can get it in, and then I'll give it about an hour. Put the heating on about 5, get the other things dried on the radiators, and we should be all good to go. This one didn't really want to go out. Yeah, We're going to get the others. What? What are you laughing at? Just saying she didn't want to, did you, darling? She was in bed, weren't you? Yeah. Right, let's go get a school run done, son. You give me a funny look. She gave me a funny look.
What?
She gave me a funny look. Hello, Shirley! She hates Fridays at school. Don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Has it been all right today?
No, yeah, because I just had exams.
All day?
Not all day, but I had 2 today.
Did you?
Yeah.
Get on all right? You're going to say no, so I don't know why I asked.
The English one wasn't that bad.
Wasn't it?
But the science one, don't even ask me, I can't do it.
I won't ask you.
Science is just like maths, so that's why I feel like I can't do maths or science.
You okay there, Liam?
I think he wants to be a woman. He wants to go like this with his nails. Slay!
Okay.
She's on drugs, so I promise you. I'm not on drugs. But do you get what I mean with
Yeah,
the work?
I do, yeah.
You fed the drugs this morning.
So you had a good day?
No. Alright, boring.
How was your day, bro? Why are you looking at my fat belly? You can't help it that it sticks out. I'm sorry. It's fat.
I know a way to push it in. You ready?
You're going to punch me.
He's been around with his friend is too much.
See, this is what I put. Ah!
Scared of me, though.
I have to put up with it.
He's scared of me, though. Because she kicks. Yeah, but people. Yeah, she can get the lower half.
Donkey's kick. So you had an alright day, Liam?
No, yeah, it's okay.
Good. Now tell me. We're going to have tea with Mum. Sausage, egg, chips and peas. I nearly said peas. Okay. Sausage, egg, chips and beans. Mummy bought them. And forever doesn't want sausage, can have bacon. Or yeah, or you can have both.
What?
Sausage, egg, chips and beans. Is that alright?
Yeah, that's fine.
Are you not going to moan about it?
I have a wobbly tooth.
Oh, the tooth fairy. Oh no.
Oh my god, tooth.
I don't know, the dentist said he still had baby teeth.
I lost my first.
If he doesn't lose them before he has braces, he's got to go out and have them all took
I've
out.
got 2 wobbly ones.
And she said that you had loads of teeth in your mouth, didn't she?
I've got loads of bloody adult ones, so you can't pull them ones out.
No, not them, just the baby ones.
I've got loads of baby ones. I've got all the back ones, yeah. I've got my back ones still, too.
Ooh. Liam's going out. Be careful. Remember, tea will be for when Mum comes home.
I don't know, my shoes are gone.
How can you lose your shoes?
I don't know.
I left it a bit longer. Well, let's see if it's dry. All I seem to have been doing today is whittling about this washing. They're dry, mate. Dry. Dry as a bone. Now then, my little sausage, egg and chips. How we doing? Sausage, egg and chips is on. I'm going to pick Rach up, but I've got to nip into Tesco because I've got an awkward child. Chloe Bay reckons she don't want any of that. She wants hot dog sausages. So I'm going to pop into Tesco's and I'm going to get some hot dog sausages. And while I'm there, I'm going to pick some milk up and then I won't have to go out tomorrow. Alright, that's what's going on. And also pick Rach up and then come home, dish up, whatnot, you know. When I was editing the vlog that I put up yesterday, I was like recording still as I was driving home, and I didn't want to touch the phone because I was driving and all that, so it just kept recording. And you know, you get in your own little world, and I was just there humming away and singing and saying silly things, and I just thought it was funny to leave it in. Cheered some people up anyway, so that's good. But yeah, do any of you guys do that? You know, driving along, singing a song. Oh, I'm sorry, it's dark. You can't see, it's getting dark now, isn't it? Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday. If you wanna be my lover, gotta get with my friend. Making love last forever, friendship never ends. You wanna talk about love, now you know how I feel. Yeah, I don't know the words, as you can tell. my precious time. Get your act together and we'll be just fine. Here's a story from A to Z. Wanna get with me, wanna listen carefully. Got A in the place, I like it in the base. Easy B, better come to me. And as for me, you'll see. Wind your body down and wind it all around. Wind your body down and zig a zig. Well, look at that. That is looking good to me. Bacon, sausage, egg, chips, beans. Oh yeah. Yes, that is a better sausage as well, and normal sausages. We had them in the freezer, so we thought we'd give them a whirl. And this bacon, I just love from Tesco's. Just a cheap one. But it's amazing in my eyes. So good night, Shirley. Happy weekend.
Yeah,
Any plans?
no.
I didn't think so. Love you. Good night, Dry. Love you.
Love.
Hope you have another lovely sleep tonight. Good night, darling. Love you. Sleep well. Are you smiling? Are you laughing? Love you.
Yeah.
Just had a lovely shower. Well, it's not my favourite thing to do at night before I get in bed, but Rachel's watched her. I don't want to be dirty. I'm just saying, Rach, your mum, has washed the bed in. And she said, before I get in it, I had to have a shower. So there you go. No, I didn't smell, actually. Didn't. Promise. Anyway, what's Liam shouting?
You know that I kept telling you my hamster keeps chewing on stuff. Look what he's done.
Oh dear.
He's got no wheel.
He's chewed it.
He keeps chewing, tries to chew that sticker as well.
Oh.
He keeps chewing stuff.
I think he needs some trainer to make him behave.
He needs a chew toy, but he didn't have one.
Have to get him one.
Someone binned it.
Not me.
Because he had one in there and someone binned it.
Oh. Haven't we got any spares? Thought we had some spares in that bucket thing.
No, but how you go?
Well, he's bucket, isn't he? Don't
How
that?
does he bite through the plastic?
He's a naughty boy. Well, I'll sort it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you.
Well, have a wonderful weekend, folks, and we'll hopefully catch you tomorrow. And yeah, stay safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't. And peace out.